Hello, my name is John Lorscheider. I retired a few years ago from a long career in sales and sales management. Presently live in southeastern Wisconsin. I came to PrevMed several months ago after my local doctors basically ignored my many risk factors for coronary artery disease. Unfortunately, they didn't practice preventive medicine like Dr. Brewer. And so I never really knew the many reasons for the root causes of my problems. My risk factors were very high lipoprotein A, endothelial dysfunction, dyslipidemia, hypertension, atrial fibrillation, and basically a horrible family history. As a result, my coronary calcium score increased every year. Initially, any obstacles that I experienced dealing with PrevMed were pretty easily dealt with. Casey did a great job overcoming, coordinating my labs locally to where I live in advance of my meeting with Dr. Brewer. The teleconferencing option made it very easy to follow up, review my labs, and talk about a treatment program going forward with Dr. Brewer. I chose to meet him face-to-face for my first visit in Tennessee. My insurance did not cover any of the costs of the consultation, and reason for it, my insurance only covers medical costs in the state where I live. I was okay with that though. Basically, when I added up what the cost of deductibles, co-payments, co-insurances, and other costs, it was basically a wash with what I would have paid local doctors under my insurance program for so-called equivalent care. I can also use some of those costs to my advantages, medical cost and travel cost, as a tax deduction. As far as my experiences, they've been great. They performed very detailed diagnostics, both labs and imaging at PrevMed. Through their testing, I discovered I was highly insulin resistant, which was interesting since all my local doctors were patting me on the back, telling me I had great glucose control. Thought that was interesting. The insulin resistance is the likely cause for my many issues that I'm working towards. PrevMed will show you the way, but you have to do the work. In addition, to meeting with Dr. Brewer and getting diagnosed properly and getting the right labs done, I also receive very frequent follow-up from Amy at PrevMed as far as diet and glucose monitoring, as well as lifestyle coaching from Janice. I found everyone at PrevMed to be extremely accessible by telephone, email, texting. In my experience, they get back to you same day. I would highly recommend Dr. Brewer and PrevMed for anyone who's concerned with preventing coronary heart disease, stroke, diabetes, or cancer. Thank you.